What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I am part of a super fun collab where we are doing 80s looks. Guys, I am so super excited for this video, but unfortunately, I am not feeling very good at all. So I'm going to power through this and do the best look that I can for you guys, but just please know and understand that I am definitely not 100% myself right now. But nonetheless, Tracy from Tracy and Chloe is the one who put this super fun collab together for everybody, and I'm really excited to be a part of it. I just wish that I was feeling better today, but unfortunately I can't control how I feel. There are some other channels involved in this, and I honestly don't know how many channels are totally involved, but I will pop that up on the screen for you guys. Please make sure that you check out all of the other channels involved with this collab. This is going to be super, super fun. So without further ado, let's jump into my crazy look. Okay guys, so here I am. Awesome, right? So I'm going to go ahead and use this Ace Beauty Nostalgia palette. It just had the colors that I needed to do this, so I'm going to use the pink and the purple out of this palette. Okay, so I'm going to start off with the purple, and I'm using Whitney Houston as my inspiration, and I totally forgot that this palette had a lot of fallout, but as you can see, I'm getting a ton of fallout there, and I always prefer to use my fingers rather than a brush anytime I do my eye looks. So here it is so far. I'm going to go ahead and obviously do the exact same thing to my other eye with, it looks like, just about the same amount of fallout, which is awesome! Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and go in with the pink, and I'm going to do that on the upper part of my eye. So yeah, I'm just going to slap that all over the place on there. There's really no rhyme or reason to the way that I put on my makeup anyways. So I'm just going to go ahead and put that on both of my eyes, and after I do that, this is what it looks like so far. So I'm going to go in with this Ace Beauty Glow palette. I'm going to use the pink, and then on this Moonchild by Anastasia Beverly Hills, I'm going to go in with the purple highlight. This is just so that I can tone this down a little bit, because in the looks that I saw, it wasn't as bright and bold as I have it right here. So I go ahead and go in with the purple first, and then I go in with the pink. And to be honest with you guys, I really wasn't happy with it because it wasn't bold enough from what she had in the pictures that I saw. So I end up going back in again with the colors off camera just to darken it up a little bit more after I finish the highlighting. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and go in with a brush. Look at this. I'm using a brush. So I'm going to go ahead and go into under my eye here with that purple. And honestly, it really didn't make that big of a difference, but I had already started doing it on this side. And whatever you do to one eye, you really need to do to the other one, even if it doesn't really look right or work out. Because if you want to fix the one eye that you messed up, then you have to go back in with the other eye, making it look the same. You guys get the idea. Nonetheless, my vitiligo is showing really bold right now because it's summertime and I'm tan. So when I'm outside in the sun, my vitiligo just comes right through under my eyes there. That's what all of that white situation is. Okay, so now I'm going to go with this Color Mates blush because it was the only one that I could find close to the color that she had in the picture. So I just slapped this on really heavy, and I mean really heavy. So I look and I'm like, oh my gosh, this looks ridiculous. So what do? I go in again. Why not? Awesome. So I keep slapping it on until I think it looks ridiculous enough. And then I'm going to go in with this, I think it's Love Stay is what this lipstick is. I'm going to go ahead and slap that all over my lips. This is super bright, but as I saw in the photo, she had some super bright lipstick on, so I'm going to go for it. So I'm like, oh my gosh, I look really ridiculous. But you know what? I do bright, bold, crazy looks all the time, so this isn't really that outside the box for me. But honestly, I wouldn't wear this look out in public. I wouldn't even do that. I'm just saying. All right, guys, after I finish my lipstick and get all of that looking the way that I think I need to, and then finish the rest of my face, this is my final look. Woo! So, guys, I couldn't tease out my hair as much as I wanted to because I had put some stuff in it to like tone it down. I wasn't even thinking about having to do this video. But overall, it's kind of giving me Whitney vibes and looks a little bit like the inspiration photo. All right, guys, let's go ahead and jump into this giveaway. Okay, guys, so my look looks absolutely nothing like Whitney Houston. I mean, I got the colors, but I don't look like Whitney Houston. I mean, come on, she was drop dead gorgeous. And I'm, presentable. So at any rate, I am going to go ahead and do a giveaway with this video. Before I do that, let's go ahead and get into the major rules. First and foremost, YouTube is in no way involved with or has anything to do with this giveaway. This is 100% on me, and I'm using items that I purchased with my own hard-earned money. Number two, you have to live in the United States or have United States postal address. This will not be open internationally. Number three, you have to be subscribed to all of the channels that were part of this collab. I'll have links to all of the channels in the description box below, so please make sure that you go and check them out and see what awesome looks that they created as well. Okay guys, so just really quick, I am going to include that Ace Beauty Nostalgia palette. This is a brand new one. So you guys are going to get this in the giveaway, and because I think almost everybody has that palette, I am also going to give you the Festival by Juvia's palette. This one is a really fun palette. Now this one is unopened, but I have one of my own here that I'm going to open for you guys. So here are the colors in this one. So I thought this one was super fun. You can do some fun 80s looks with this one as well. So I thought I would go ahead and throw this one in, as well as the Ace Beauty one, because I think almost everybody has the Ace Beauty palette. I am also going to throw in this makeup bag. It's really cute and simple. So I don't know. I just think that somebody might like to have a cute, simple bag. So look at that. Super cute. It's got a nice little bow on top. I'm gonna open it up for you guys really quick because I am fading super fast here, but here's the inside of it. So it's really cute, and I'll probably include some other goodies too, but honestly guys, I just did not feel like digging through my stash to decide what I was going to put in this giveaway. Those are the three major things. I'm sure I will stick some other fun things in there as well. So the key word for this giveaway is Whitney. Since my look was inspired by Whitney Houston, I want you to use the word Whitney in your comment below so that I know that you want to be entered in my giveaway. Okay guys, I forgot to mention how long this giveaway was going to run for. This giveaway is going to run from today, June 26th, all the way through July 9th, and the winner will be announced on July 10th. I think I covered everything, guys, but just in case I didn't, please make sure that you take a look at the full set of rules in my description box below. All right, let's jump back into whatever I was talking about. All right, guys, this was so super fun. I just wish that I felt better because I had planned on doing like 3 or maybe even 4 looks for you guys that were going to be super fun, and I would have put a lot more effort into it, but unfortunately, today is just not my day. I am powering through this, putting a smile on, trying to be peppy, but really, guys, I want to be laying down in some pajamas, comfortable in bed. So I think I'm going to go ahead and do that. If I have the time, I will try to do an 80s look video in the future and do several different looks and just have a lot of fun with it. And I'll hopefully be my peppy self. But today is just not that day. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video. And I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I am part of a super fun collab where okay, try it again. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I am part of a super fun collab where I don't know if I can say that. I have to change the words. In today's video, I am part of a super fun collab where we will be doing 80s looks. So Tracy and Chloe is the name of the channel. Yes, try it again. If I have any strength at all to do a full on look for you, I will definitely do that. So without further ado, oh wait, darn it.